Don't stop.
Hello everybody, welcome back to Chef Gabe's Culinary Arts Education. Today's menu, we're going to be making some sort of chicken and toast. Yeah, that's what I'm trying to say. But anyways, yeah, basically we're about to cook this thing up. And yeah, so hopefully you guys get to see this. And yeah, I'll see you guys in the kitchen.
feel the rhythm of the 95. This is where it becomes alive. Come on, put your hands up, feel the vibe, and join our journey. Ready for the ride of the life. Oh no, you can't resist this time. The greatest party on wheels you've ever seen. We're taking higher than you've ever been.
Okay guys, we are back. This time I'm in my room instead because I didn't want any background noise at all, so that's why we're here for. So, question is, what knife did I use in the kitchen today's episode of Chef Gabe's Culinary Arts Education? Put the comments down below while you're at it, because we have 5 seconds to actually get the actual knife out and show you what it is. So, yeah. So, 3, 2, 1. This knife here, it looks like a cleaver. If you guys should put the name down in the comments down below on this video here. So yeah, so this is the knife that we used in the kitchen. So So yeah. Yep, so that was the chicken and toast. And you know what? I know. That was a small portion, but you know what? It's for 2 people. 2 people. So anyways, we're gonna end this here. So yeah, we're gonna end this video here. So thank you all for so much for watching, and please give this video a like and click that subscribe button to turn it from red to gray. Then click that notification bell. Make sure you have it all notifications, so that way you don't miss any future videos, like any cooking videos, including this one here. And we're gonna do some more knife cuts. This is the last video of 2021 for this channel. We're already done with Yellow Vlogs, so same thing with my gaming channel. So we're basically good. This is the last video of the year 2021. So yeah, get out of here, go be awesome, and thank you all for so much for watching, and I shall see you guys in the year 2022. Bye for now.
Stop.